The first one is the equation of straight line slope intercept form. The first one is equation of straight line in slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. See here, x-axis, y-axis, my line is like this, and I know the one of the intercept, say some 0 comma c. That means this straight line intersect y-axis at 0 comma c. Okay, say this one is a point, this is 0, and any point on this line x1 comma y1, and the angle made with the x-axis is theta. So the slope you find out. If theta is known, the m is the slope, m is equal to tan theta, right? And a point, another point on this line, say x comma y. Okay, next, what is the slope here? If I know the 2 points, the slope is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is y minus c by x minus 0. Right? Suppose I multiply this, m into x mx is equal to y minus c. This implies y is equal to mx plus c gives me the equation of straight line, which is the slope m and with intercept c. What is this c? C is the y-intercept. Okay. After this, the intercept form of the straight line. Equation of straight line in intercept form. Okay, I will take down this. Here I have the another point, say some c. This also I know. Say this is a comma 0 and this one is 0 comma b. Right? Okay. Now, if I know these 2 points, my slope is what? Slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by, that means 0 minus b by a minus 0. Right? That is m is equal to minus b by a. Putting in the intercept slope form, that is y is equal to mx plus, here the intercept is, y-intercept is b. So y is equal to minus b by a. What is this? This is m into x plus b. Right? Now, this is y is equal to minus bx plus ab. This by a, this becomes here ay is equal to minus bx plus ab. This came to this side, bx plus ay is equal to AB. Divide with whole equation is AB. Then this is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1, which gives us the intersect form of the straight line. Look at these examples. Find the equation of a line with the slope 2 and intersect of y-axis at 3. What is given here? The slope m is equal to and the y-intercept is c is equal to 3. The intercept and slope form is y is equal to mx plus c. So that's why the equation of this line is y is equal to x plus 3, is it not? Yes. See this one also. Find the equation of line which makes intercepts 4, 5 with x, y axis respectively. That means x axis, y axis. The line is intersect the x axis at 4, 0 and the y axis at 0, 5. Okay. Say this one is A and this one is B. Right? What is the intercept form of the straight lines? That is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. What is A? A is the x intercept and B is the y intercept. So this one is x by 4 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. Or you can write it as 5x, that is bx, plus a by 4y is equal to ab, or minus ab is equal to 0. Minus 20 is equal to 0. Like this also you have to write. Equation of straight line in point, slope, form. This is one is third one, right? The second one is the intercept form of the straight line. Now the third one is the equation of straight line in point slope form, right? See here. This is the x and y axis. Okay. The line is like this. It passing through the point P x1, y1 and having the slope, this theta, tan theta gives you the m. You already know that equation of a line with the slope m is y is equal to mx plus c. Suppose it passing through the point x1, y1, that means y, it passes through x1 comma y1, this becomes y1 is equal to mx1 plus c. This gives you the c is equal to y minus m y1 minus mx1. You put this value in this. Here we have the y is equal to m into this x plus c means y1 minus mx1. Suppose this came to this side, y minus y1 is equal to, here take m as common, m into x minus x1, which is the straight line having the slope m and passing through a point x1 y1. Right. The another one, if it passing through the origin 0 comma 0, then what happens? The point x1 y1 is 0 0. It is y minus 0 is equal to m into x minus 0. The fourth one, equation of line passing through origin is y minus 0 is equal to m into x minus 0, that is y is equal to mx. Okay. See this example. Write the equation of a straight line which passing through a point 1 comma 2 and making an angle pi by 3 with the positive x-axis in counterclockwise direction. Right? Here the slope m is equal to tan theta. Okay. What is tan theta here? Tan 60 degrees. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. What is tan 60 degrees? That is root 3. You know that tan 60, sin 60 and cos 60 values in the class 10. Okay. And this one is my slope m, and the given point is equal to 1 comma 2, which is my x1 comma y1. What is the point and slope form? That is equation of straight line in point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is y minus y1 is 2 is equal to, my slope is root 3 into x minus x1 is 1. Okay, this you can write as root 3 into x minus y, and this one is minus root 3, this one plus 2 minus root 3 is equal to 0. We understand this? After this, the equation of line passing through the 2 points. Equation of straight line fifth one, equation of straight line passing through two points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Say this one is x-axis, this one is y-axis. On this P is a point with x1 comma y1 and Q is another point with x2 comma y2. Right. Now my equation is, if it passing through one point, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is the slope m if 2 points are known? M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That you have to substitute there, you get the equation. So y minus y1 is equal to m becomes y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This also you can write as y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Or you can write it as x minus x1 into y2 minus y1 is equal to y minus y1 into x2 minus x1, which gives us the equation of straight line passing through the 2 points. These are the different forms of the straight lines which you learned in the lower classes. On this, I have to do some exercise then after. Okay. See here, write the equation of a straight line which passing through the pair of points 3, 4 and 7, minus 6. Here is given the 2 points. So, how you can solve this? Take the 2-point form. That is, this you say x1, y1 and x2, y2 are given. The equation of straight line which passing through 2 points is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. See, y minus y1 is 4 by y2 minus y1 is minus 6 minus 4 is equal to x minus x1, that is x minus 3 by x2 minus x1 is 7 minus 3. This gives us y minus 4 by minus 10 is equal to x minus 3 by 4. Now by cross multiplication you get the 4y minus 16, or you can cut this 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja, then it becomes 2y minus 8 is equal to minus 5x, this minus into minus, plus 5 3 ja 15. This gives us 5x plus 2y minus 8 minus 15 becomes minus 23 is equal to 0. The another concept is collinearity of 3 points. What is collinear? If the points are lies on the same line, then the points are said to be a collinear. Okay, how you can prove this? Suppose AB plus BC is equal to AC, that means A, B, C are on the same line. AB plus BC is equal to AC. It will shows the 3 points are lies on the same line. In the another way, by using the concept of slope, what we say is the slope of AB is equal to slope of BC or the slope of AC. Okay, then the 3 points are said to be collinear. And also there is another method. If the area of triangle of ABC is equal to 0, that means they are collinear. Okay, the different methods are there. Let us take one example on this. Show that the points minus 5 comma 1 minus 5 comma 1 5 comma 5 and 10 comma 7 are collinear. Okay, by using the above concept, I am taking this one is A, let us say this one is B and this one is C. Now slope of AB is equal to, you know that y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, so y2 minus y1 is 5 minus 1 by x2 minus x1 is 5 minus of minus plus 5. This is equal to 4 by 10 or 2 2 ja 2 5 ja, it is 2 by 5. And if I find the slope of BC, here it is y2 minus y1 is 7 minus 5 by x2 minus x1 is 10 minus 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Or you have to check whether the slope of AC also same, that also same. Let us see if you want. Slope of AC, that gives you 7 minus y2 minus y1 is 7 minus 1 by 10 minus of minus 5 is 10 plus 5. This is equal to 6 by 15. 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja, this also 2 by 5. That's why the given 3 points are collinear. And then slope intercept form of a straight line. The different forms of a straight line, that also we learned in the class. Y is equal to mx plus c, where the y-intercept is c. That means the line cuts the y-axis at 0 comma c. The slope is m. And the intercept form of the straight line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where the x-intercept a, y-intercept b, that is like this. A comma 0 and b 0 comma b, this is O 0 comma 0. Now suppose we want to find the area of this triangle, then area of triangle is triangle OAB is equal to half into base into height. So this length is A and this length is B. So this is half into AB. Why? Because the modulus gives us the positive value for the area. Right. Then point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This line is passing through x1 y1 point and the slope m. Equation of a line passing through the origin 0 0. Suppose my x1 comma y1 is 0 comma 0. Then the line becomes y minus 0 is equal to m into x minus 0. that is y is equal to mx. 2 points, suppose we have the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then the equation is y minus y1 is equal to this what? This is the slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. That you can write like this also. X minus x1 into y2 minus y1 is equal y minus y1 into x2 minus